Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a very simple peach cobbler. Great to do with kids or teenagers when they are at home. First thing you do is put 1 stick of butter in your pan for melting. And for the batter, we use 1 cup of flour. And 1 cup of sugar. And I always mix up my dry ingredients, so whenever I add my wet ingredients, it's not as lumpy or don't have as many clumps in it whenever you add the wet ingredients. And then I'll add 1 cup of milk. And I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And just mix it real good. It's still going to be a little bit soupy, but that's the way the batter is. Once it starts cooking, or whenever it's done cooking, I'm sorry, the center will be more of a doughy bread, but it's mainly from the water from the peaches. Okay, so I'm getting the butter out of the oven right here. This process is very simple. Only thing you do is you add your batter first. And then you add your peaches. You can use a whisk or a spoon. Just take the peaches and move them around. So you can basically get a peach in every bite. And then I'll put this in the oven at 350 for about 35 to 45 minutes until it gets a crispy brown. And this is what it should look like. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Again, thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.